Assalamu alaikum everyone. So another day, another video, another simple design. Before starting, first as usual I want to thank to everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and for my new friends, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button. So before anything to do, let's get into it. Take a line segment tool, hold shift and draw a straight line. Holding shift will give you a straight line. So now let's use width tool. Just click there and drag. It will increase the width of your line, just like that. You'll get the shape like a leaf. Okay, now let's take this rotate tool and hold alt and drag the center point there. Hold alt and drag the center point there and just leave it there, and you'll get this dialog. Set the angle to 30, hit copy. Remember, hit copy and control D repeatedly to get the leaves, copies of these leaves, or repeat the last action. Now let's colorize these leaves. Select this one. Remember, you have to give these are the lines still, so you have to give stroke colors. So give any colors you want. I'm gonna give these colors. You can see, you can choose color of your choice. It's all upon you. Just try different things. Trying things will give you experience, as I do. Always try. I'm also a learner. I learn things, so you can do better than me. So just try this thing. So the colorizing is complete. Let's select all and let's make it expand experience. So these are no more lines, these are now proper objects. You can see. Now let's okay, these notifications. Okay, anyway, so now let's give these strokes any unique color stroke which is not in your design. I'm going to give black stroke, increase its size. You have to choose unique color which is not appear in your design, because we are going to use that magic wand tool. Let's first expand it. Just there, expand these. Just you have to expand only strokes. Okay, you can see only strokes and hit OK. There you go. Thicker the stroke, thicker the effect you'll get. Now go to Pathfinder and choose trim. Pathfinder and choose trim. There you go. Now go to magic wand tool. Take magic wand tool and select the stroke. Only just zoom in first, then select only stroke. Because this is black, the magic wand tool, it will select all the black color in your design and hit delete. When you delete, you will get this effect. That's why I said the thicker the stroke, the thicker the effect you will get. There you go. It looks okay to me. This is it. You can see this is the trim. You have to select trim. Now let's take this shape and we're gonna make it expand. Go to object and expand it, just for making sure. Now let's hold shift and make it smaller. You can see the lines are okay, the shapes are okay. Control Y. See if there are any extra lines. I don't think so. So it's okay now. Now let's put some background behind it. I'm gonna take a rectangle tool, just drag it over the design we just made, just a square shape, and the smart guide will guide you. There you go. Now I'm gonna round its corner. You know how to do it. First arrange and send it to back. There you go. Now it's on back. Now go to direct selection tool, select direct selection tool and move these corners. You can see all the corners are selected. So let's move these corners just a little bit in to make it, give it them a round shape. There you go. It's not necessary, but if you need pointy ones you can leave it there. I'm gonna go with round ones. Okay, let's group it, align it first, then group it together, then we'll add some text in it. Okay, group it together. Now let's add some text. Take type tool and I'm gonna type blend in. My today's word is blend in interiors. So let's type it, increase its size, hold Alt Shift, and there you go. Let's give it a white color because the background is black, so white is the most prominent one. So I'm gonna choose white. I'm gonna choose the font, any good looking font. It's all up to you. Let's hold Shift and resize it just like that. Now hold Alt and drag to make a copy and double click and then type your other text, other word. Let's increase its tracking or the between. I'm intentionally taking it small in small caps, not in capital letters. I'm small caps because I'm intentionally taking it as smaller ones. So this is the font I choose for this one, a thinner font. Reduce its font size. Let's make it a bit smaller. Now I'm going to go to character panel and increase the space between the letters. Let's make it 200. It's not okay. Let's manually enter it. Let's make it 400. I think it's okay. Let's place it there. Now this is still, these are still text, so just make some little adjustments. I always said the visual adjustments are as important as automatic adjustments in graphic designing. So let's increase its size a bit. Let's adjust it. There it is. Let's place it there. Now let's create outlines of both these texts. Now these are no more text now. Just align these and just make it up there. There you go. It looks okay to me there. Okay guys, so just there it is. So let's take these one and align these, and then right click and group it together, and let's select all align it all. There you go, this is aligned. Now select all of this, right click, group it together. Now you can align it on your canvas. So this is it guys, this is today's design, today's idea. I hope you like it. So if you do, please consider like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button, and Allah Hafiz guys.